Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I did this super simple, super quick, time-saving makeup routine that I do whenever I'm running late or I don't have a lot of time or I don't feel like putting in a lot of time to do my makeup, but I still want to look like I put a little bit of effort in. So yeah, I guess let's get started. First things first, I like to put some Aquaphor on my lips before I do my makeup so that they get hydrated and soft. Then I'll put my hair up and use a headband to make sure all of my hair is out of the way. This is my favorite moisturizer. It's Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisture with 30 SPF, and I apply it all over my face and neck. Next, I'll start my concealer, so I use two different shades. This first one is Maybelline Superstay Under Eye Concealer in the shade Ivory 5, but it's just a little too pale, so to put some warmth over it, I use the Maybelline Master Conceal number 10 Fair. Then I'll blend it in with a damp Beauty Blender sponge. This one is just Real Techniques, it's not actually Beauty Blender. When I'm blending it in, I'm making sure I'm patting and pressing and not rubbing or dragging. That way it creates the smoothest finish. I know sped up it looks like I'm rubbing, but I'm really just doing tiny pats. The next step is to set that concealer. I use the Dermablend translucent powder and a fluffy powder brush, just going over everywhere that I put that concealer. This is my favorite bronzer ever! It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer in the shade Park Ave Princess. I use a dense contouring brush to apply it, and I start with my cheekbones, buffing it with circular and back and forth motions. Then I'll apply it to the top of my forehead and buff it out in a downwards motion. Next, I'll apply it under my chin and along my jawline. Blending here is key, especially if you're as pale as I am. Now here's my time-saving trick. When I don't have time to figure out an eyeshadow look, I'll use my bronzer just in a crease and blend it upwards and outwards towards the brow bone. I use circular sweeping motions for the blending. Really making sure there's no harsh lines there. Then you can put a little underneath your bottom lash line, just from the middle to the corner. The next thing I do is highlight. I love this icing scented highlighter from Tarte in the shade Stunner. Then, to save some more time, I'll use the highlight on my brow bone, my lid, my inner corners, and the lower lash line just from the middle to the inner corner to brighten up my eyes. Next, I'll apply just a teensy bit of blush after I highlight to give my face a little more color, making sure I blend it above the bronzer and don't put too much on the apples. Another amazing time saver I found is this awesome ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. I use the shade Soft Black. It keeps my brows in place and fills them in just the right amount. When I apply my mascara, I like to use quick upward motions with the wand while also blinking. I find this helps coat every lash evenly. After all that, I'll take my hair down and decide if I need to do something with it or if I even have time. Luckily, I feel like my natural wave looks okay enough most days. The very last step is to apply a quick lippy. I love this lip gloss by Butter London because it has just enough opacity to cover some of the discolorations on my lips, but it's way faster to apply than a liquid lip. And there you have it, quick and easy makeup tutorial for when you're in a rush. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and comment below letting me know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching!